Okay, the postie has been and left us a parcel. I don't think it's a huge one, but there's still something. We have ordered a few things for the caravan, and there we go. I reckon that may just be the anodes. So I'll go inside and open it up and have a look. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to replace the anode in the hot water system in the caravan. Alright, to do this job, these are the tools you are going to need.
Okay, we have a 27mm socket, ratchet, extension bar, and you'll need some thread tape.
Plus the anode.
This is the anode we're going to replace.
That's the anode.
Okay, first thing you got to do is disconnect your van from the mains water supply. Make sure your water pump's turned off. Turn your taps on, hot and cold, until you get no more flow. That's probably enough. Okay, now you come outside your van to the hot water system. Open it up. See down the bottom, there's a bolt there. There with the socket, and undo it. Okay, when you undo this, water will come out, as you can see. Just let it go till the tank's empty, and then look at that anode.
Oh, that doesn't look very good.
No, where's the... There's the new one to the old one, there's the difference. It's a sacrificial bit of metal, stops it corroding your water tank, it corrodes this instead.
Is that like the sacrificial lamb?
Yes. Just putting some thread tape onto the new one to make sure it seals.
And you go all the way up the thread?
Yeah, most of the way. That'll do. Break it off. Okay, put the new one back in. Same way you took the old one out. Start with my hand a little bit. Just get your socket. Screw the next one back in. It sometimes be a bit tricky to get started. Got it there, line it up with my hand. Get your ratchet. Just up firmly, you don't have to go heaving on it or anything. That's it done.
Okay, so he's gone to turn the water pump on now, just to see if there's any leaks, and we will soon find out. Okay, the water pump is on. And I guess if there was going to be a leak, there would be a leak by now.
Water pump will run for a while because it's got to fill up the water tank, hot water tank again.
So far so good. No leaking. So it's actually quite a simple sort of job to do, isn't it?
Oh yes, it's quite easy to do.
Once you know how to do it, it doesn't seem to be all that involved.
Yeah, quite important that you do it though. Otherwise the corrosion can corrode out your tank and you're up for a new hot water heater. Instead
of the sacrificial lamb.
Okay, that seems to be up to pressure now, the pump stopped, and we've got no leaks or anything, so that's good. So now we'll just go inside, turn the water on to get air out of the system. Okay, come inside, just turn your water on. Be careful, you might get a few splats. And
is that getting the air out the line?
Yeah, that all seems to be fine. There'll be some. Now that it stops spitting and carrying on, nearly. Generally means the tank's full again. All done.
And that's it. Excellent. So that's probably what, 5-minute job?
Yes, you just go back out, recheck for leaks, but it should all be fine. Just rechecking. No leaks, all seems fine.
And that's it.
Yep, job's done.
All done. Excellent. All right, guys, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye for now.